Welcome back, web wizards. Today we are tackling something every website needs, but no one talks about. That's right, the side nav is like the introverted cousin of top navigation bar. It doesn't scream for attention, but when it's done right, it's the coolest feature in the room. By the end of this video, you will create a site nav, so click, even your browser will want to swipe right on it. So grab your HTML sprinkle in some CSS and let's slide into the world of site navigation like pros. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, sharing is here, but more diving came out the full stack web development, and in today's video of full stack web development, I am telling you about the in the HTML what is the canvas graphics. So let's talk about it. What's the canvas graphics in the HTML? So let's learn about it. The HTML canvas element is used to draw a graphics on a web page. The graphic to the left is created with canvas. It shows four elements: a rectangle, a gradient rectangle, a multicolor rectangle, and a multicolor text. Now, what is HTML canvas? What is the HTML canvas? The HTML canvas element is used to draw graphics on the fly via JavaScript. The JavaScript element is only a container for graphics. You must use JavaScript to actually draw the graphics. Canvas has several methods for drawing paths, boxes, circles, tags, and adding images. Canvas is supported by all the major browsers like Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, Microsoft Edge, like these type of. A canvas is a rectangular area on an HTML page. By default, a canvas has no border and no content. The markup look like this, okay? The markups will look like this. Note that always specify an ID attribute to be referred to in a script and a width and height attribute to define the size of the canvas, to add a border, and use the style attribute. Now here is one example of a basic empty canvas. Here you can see it. You can use this basic empty canvas. Let me copy this basic empty canvas. Let me open my Visual Studio Code. Let me create a one window, and then I create a file by the name of index.html, and I'm pasting this code and paste it. And now your browser does not support the HTML canvas tag. Okay, your browser will not support it. So now let me tell you what you can do. So like that. Okay, so now here's fun, and now add a JavaScript. After creating the rectangular canvas area, you must add a JavaScript to do the drawing. Now here are some examples he has given me. In this example, we are draw a line. Okay, in the script tag we are draw a line. So let's use this, copy it, and let me paste this. Here you can see, let me save it and let me open my document in which I open my index.html file. So sorry. Let me come on my here and let me open my index.html file. Now my line has been made it like this. Why? Because I use the JavaScript. Like that, you can draw a line using to add a JavaScript. Now how to draw a circle? You can also draw a circle using a JavaScript. So how? You only want to do it right here, the numbers like 90, 50, 40, 0, 2 multiplied by math.py. So the circle will be built. Here you can see it. And now how to draw text. Now I told you about how to draw a line, how to draw a circle. So let me explain you how to draw text. So to draw a text, you only want to do it, click on it here and paste it. To draw a text, you write your text. Okay, I write hello world, so it give me hello world here. If I write like hello Ryan, save it and run it, so it give me hello Ryan. Here you can see it. And you can give the size of the size also to the text, like I give the 25 pixels, so it will be smaller. Okay, so like that you can draw a text. So stroke text. Okay, so how you can do it? You only want to do it if you want to do it a stroke text. So like that you can do a stroke text. Okay, so like that. So here you can see our text is coming in the stroke. Now draw a linear gradient. How to draw a linear gradient? In this example we are draw one linear gradient. Okay, to draw a linear gradient you only want to do it right here, ctx.create a linear gradient in which you write 0, 0, 200 and 0. So then write a color red and white. I write red and white, so it give me here red and white. If I write here, if I erase white and if I write black, so I write red and black, so it give me black here. Okay, so like that you can give your own color, any color. Okay, how to draw a circular gradient? You can also be draw a circular gradient. Okay, how to draw a circular gradient? Like that you can draw a circular gradient. Now let me save it and run it. So like that you can see you can draw a circular gradient. In the circle the gradient has been coming. Now how to draw image? You can also be draw image, and how you can draw image? You only want to do it write like this JavaScript code. Okay, then save it and run it, so image has been also be drawn. Okay, so let me click try it yourself and let me open it and let me paste it, save and then run. So my image is not coming because I do not have any image. If I go on my Unsplash and let me pick up an image, and I'm picking this image, any image I'm picking, and then I'm copying a URL, copy image, and then I'm pasting it here. Okay, now okay, copy image address, paste, saved and run. So the image has been came. So canvas to fill, you can use the canvas to fill out it. Okay, so like that you can do it very easily. Yes. Now let's come on here HTML canvas tutorial. To learn more about Canvas, please read our HTML Canvas tutorial. So here you can see in today's video we talk about in the HTML what is the Canvas graphics. If you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also never miss about these type of videos on our full stack web development. And then come on to Google, search in my channel by the name of Code with PK. You obviously see my video, so you are seeing my video, so you always know my channel name. Okay, so please complete 9,100 subscribers, where we are very near to it, and come on to the playlist. And when you come on to the playlist, come on to the fully stick web development from scratch playlist and see my all the videos of it, and like it and share it and subscribe my channel and all the notification bell also, and complete the 500 views on my playlist of full stack web development. We are very near to it, and bookmark it from here and then access it. Okay, so but anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next video. I'm making like that type of videos on the full stack web development tutorial of the HTML tutorial. So now let me meet you in next class and next video amazing class. So now for today, goodbye. That's how you make a site navigation that slides smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Now your website looking so good, even the internet jealous. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your fellow coders. Let's keep the creativity following and do sidebars sliding. Until next time, stay awesome, stay coding, and remember, great websites are built one nav at a time. So peace out. So now for today, goodbye.